गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर हेल एंड हार्टी. Yes, very good. So I hope you are studying as well as taking care of yourself well. अच्छे से आप अपना ध्यान रख रहे हैं. And along with taking care of yourself, you should not let your studies get hampered at any cost. You should keep on studying regularly. Okay, so we were doing our English syllabus, and in that now today we are going to start with the second poem of your book Honeydew. The name of the poem is Geography Lesson, and it's written by its poet is who? Zulfikar Ghosh. Okay, so first of all, before we read the text, just go through few lines. Can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground? Neatly planned and perfect in proportion, like a geometric design. It would strike you as something very different and from what it actually is while you are in the thick of it. Here is the poet's description of just such a view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. Now see, can you imagine? क्या आप imagine कर सकते हैं what your city would look like? आपकी city कैसी दिखेगी if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground? अगर आप उसको 10,000 feet above the ground से आप देख रहे हो, it's going to neatly planned and perfect in proportion, एक बिल्कुल geometric design की तरह. And at that time it's going to strike you as something very different from what it actually is while you are in the thick of it. जब आप उसके बीच में होते हैं, you just find it कि ये सब क्या है, how is it? And when you look at it from above the ground, 1,000 feet above the ground, you just look at it and you find it really different because you find it perfectly planned and in proportion. Here is a poet's description of just such a view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. और यहाँ पे क्या है? Here is a poet's description. Poet का description है of just such a view of the city. इस city का ऐसा view and some questions that come to his mind and few questions that literally come to his mind जो उनके दिमाग में आते हैं. ठीक है? Now see, when the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land and water attracted man was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more seas than land. But it was difficult to understand that men on earth found causes to hate each other, to build wall across the cities, and to kill. From the height, it was not clear why. Written by Zulfikar Ghosh. I hope you heard the text properly. आपको text अच्छे से आपने देखा है. Now the thing is, now look at the first paragraph. When the jet sprang, now first paragraph की मैं पहले आपको summary देती हूँ. What actually the first paragraph is going to say? ये कहना चाह रहा है कि जो jet plane है ना, वो बहुत ही speedily कहाँ पे उड़ रहा है? In the sky. उससे ये चीज बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गई है कि my city जैसी थी ना, that it had developed the way it had. उसे देखना from 6 inches to a mile, that seems an inevitability. वहां पे एक बिल्कुल inevitability दिखाई देती है, means बिल्कुल एक proper way दिखती है. What वहां से जो चीजें हमें ग्राउंड पे रह के बिल्कुल haphazard दिखती हैं, अनप्लान दिखती हैं, विदाउट स्टाइल दिखती हैं, फ्रॉम देयर हमें वो कैसा लग रहा है? इट इज लुकिंग इन अ वेरी प्रॉपर वे, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही सुंदर. So when the jet sprang into the sky, जिस समय jet sprang हुआ in the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. That time the fact was clear कि city जैसी है ना वैसी develop क्यों हुई. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, looking at it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard. तब वहां पे एक बहुत ही अनिवार्यता दिखाई देती है कि जमीन पर ऑन द लैंड जब हम इन चीजों को देखते हैं तो ये कितना हैपहैजर्ड दिखती हैं, कितनी अनप्लान्ड दिखती हैं, एंड दे आर विदाउट स्टाइल, बिल्कुल इनकी कोई आकृति ही नहीं है. What time he is able to see this? ये तब when the time when the jet sprang up speedily into the sky. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities, where the rivers ran, and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, the land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. So when the jet reached 10,000 feet, जब jet पहुंचा 10,000 feet की height पे, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran. That time the fact was clear why there are countries, कंट्री के अंदर ये सिटीज क्यों है, वहां वो कंट्री जहां पे क्या है, जहां पे बहुत सारे रिवर्स बहती है, ठीक है. और साथ ही साथ में एंड व्हाई द वैलीज वर पॉपुलेटेड, व्हाई दीज वैलीज वर पॉपुलेटेड, द लॉजिक ऑफ ज्योग्राफी, जो ज्योग्राफी का अल्टीमेटली लॉजिक है ना, व्हाट इज इट, दैट द लैंड एंड वाटर अट्रैक्टेड मैन, दैट लैंड एंड वाटर आर द टू थिंग दैट ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट द मैन, वाज क्लियरली डिलिनिएटेड. ये जो एक लॉजिक था ना, ये बिल्कुल कैसा हुआ, स्पष्ट रूप से ये तब प्रकट हुआ जब जेट विमान 10,000 फुट की ऊंचाई पर पहुंचा. When the jet reached what height? 10,000 feet. So it was at that time very clear. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. Now when jet rose to the height of 6 miles above the ground, it was clear that earth was round. वहां पे जाके दिखाई देने लगा कि ये दुनिया, अर्थ तो पूरी गोल है. आप ग्लोब देखते हो, यू लुक एट द ग्लोब, व्हाट शेप इज द ग्लोब, ग्लोब इज राउंड. तो इसी तरह से ये भी जो है बिल्कुल क्या है, राउंड. एंड दैट इट हैड मोर सीज देन लैंड, एंड देयर आर मोर सीज देन लैंड. यहाँ पे सीज ज्यादा है और लैंड कम है, ऐसा दिखता है. व्हेन यू सी अ ग्लोब ना, या आप मैप देखते हो या ग्लोब देखते हो, यू आल्सो लुक एट दैट. आपने भी हमेशा देखा होगा उसमें क्या होता है, उसके अंदर ब्लू पार्ट ज्यादा होता है ना, एंड ब्लू पार्ट सिंबलाइजेस व्हाट, ब्लू पार्ट सिंबलाइजेस वाटर. So but it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build wall across the cities and to kill from that height. It was not clear why. But he says still it was difficult to understand that ये जो men है ना इस अर्थ पे, they from where they find the causes to hate each other. उनको एक दूसरे से नफरत करने के लिए, घृणा करने के लिए वो कारण कहाँ से ढूंढ लेते हैं. अपनी सिटीज के अक्रॉस वॉल्स वो कैसे बिल्ड कर लेते हैं, एंड मारने के लिए कारण वो कैसे ढूंढ लेते हैं. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स, दीज आर रियली डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड, वेदर यू आर ऑन द लैंड और वेदर यू आर अबव द लैंड इन द स्काई, और वहां से आप इस अपने अर्थ को देख रहे हो. From both the places it is very unclear. So from that height it was not clear why. तो उस हाइट पे जाके भी बाकी तो चीजें सब स्पष्ट हो गई, बट ये चीज उस हाइट पे जाके भी it was not clear why. So this is the poem, we can say a very beautiful poem, जो किन्होंने लिखी है, जुल्फिकार घोष ने. ठीक है, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. सो यही चीज है कि आप जब अपनी जो हम बोलते हैं अपनी लैंड को जब कहीं और से देखते हो, आप अर्थ को देखते हो, तो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट काइंड के क्वेश्चंस आपके दिमाग में आते हैं. तो सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो यहाँ पे इनके दिमाग में आए हैं, एंड दे आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. ओके, चलो गुड. सो नाउ सी हियर, आप ग्लॉसरी देख पा रहे हो इसकी, देयर आर वर्ड मीनिंग. सो इनएविटेबल, इसका मतलब है दैट कैन नॉट बी अवॉइडेड. इनएविटेबल मींस जिसे आप अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते. एंड हैपहैजर्ड इज विदाउट प्लान और ऑर्डर, बिना किसी प्लानिंग के, बिना किसी ऑर्डर के. डिलिनिएटेड, शोन, डिलिनिएटेड का मतलब होता है शोन. Find 3 or 4 phases in stanzas 1 and 2 which are likely to occur in a geography lesson. आप फाइंड करोगे 3 और 4 phrases in a stanza 1 and 2 जो आपको ये बताएंगे which are likely to occur in geography lesson, जो geography lesson में अक्सर जो चीजें आती हैं. So see, now क्या क्या चीजें हैं. यहाँ पे जब आपने देखा these phrases, so देखो यहाँ पे जो phrases हैं, first है the city had developed the way it had, second one is seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, third है the earth had cities where the rivers ran and why the valley were populated, fourth and land and water attracted man. So these are the 4 phrases which tells us that which particularly occurs in the geography lesson. Seen from the window of an aeroplane, the city appears what? So there are 3 options. You have to mark the right answer. So first one, see, as haphazard on the ground, as neat as a map, as developed as necessary. So seen from the window of an aeroplane, the city appear होती है कैसी? Now, the haphazard as on ground? No. As neat as a map or as developed as necessary? So the answer is as neat as a map. Now, next question. Which of the following statements are examples of logic of geography? Logic of geography की example कौन सी statements हैं यहाँ पे? There are cities where there are rivers. Cities appears as they are not from 6 miles above the ground. It is easy to understand why valleys are populated. It is difficult to understand why humans hate and kill one another. Earth is round and it has more seas than land. Now, answer is जो आपको इसमें से जो statements, examples हैं, the logic of geography, जो actual geographical logic है, वो ये है. The first one, there are cities where there are rivers. Then the third one, it is easy to understand why valleys are populated. And the next, last one, एक और है, the fifth one, the earth is round and it has more seas than land. So ये क्या है? ये हमारा पूरा इसका आंसर. So these are the 3 statements which are the examples of logic of geography. Now mention 2 things that are clear from the height and those 2 that are not clear from the height. So firstly, those are clear from the height. वो कौन सी हैं? It was clear why the city had developed the way it had. The city जैसी है वैसी develop क्यों हुई? And it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. Now the next is ये clear था that why the country had cities, क्यों countries में cities थी जहाँ पे rivers चलती थी, and why the valleys were populated. So these are the 2 things which are clear from the height. And the next one, not clear from the height, it was not clear from the height why men on earth hate one another. कि क्यों जो men है earth पे, it was not clear from the sky why men on earth hate one another. क्यों वो एक दूसरे से hate करते हैं? So this was not clear. And the next one, it was not clear from the height why men built the wall across cities and kill one another. ये भी clear नहीं था height से कि क्यों जो men है वो cities के across अपनी wall build कर लेते हैं, क्यों वो kill करते हैं एक दूसरे को. So these are the things we can say. ये वो चीजें हैं जो इनके answers हैं. Of these 2 things, clear from the height and not clear from the height. Okay, so with this I can say clear. So ultimately in this poem, what we understand that when we are flying in a jet high at a great height in the sky, some things that are clear and some things related to our earth, questions related to our earth are clear and some questions are not clear. So it is very clear that why the city had developed the way it had, and it is also clear that why the country had cities where the river runs and why the valleys were populated. And the things that are not clear from the height are that it was not clear from the height why men on earth hate each other. Okay, and one another. And it was also not clear from the height that why men build wall across the cities and they kill each other. So these were the some few things we can say ये main crux था of this poem that I hope you understood it well. So this way student, along with our working with the poem and glossary and question answers, everything, this poem is complete. You just go through it and if there are any doubts, we can clear it up. Okay. So I hope everything is well explained to you. So now this is all for our class today and we'll be meeting in our class tomorrow with a new topic. Till then, just take care of yourself and keep studying hard.